Hey everyone, I'm Joni, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my experience trying out dropshipping on TikTok with a budget of $0 for 30 days. I know a lot of people are interested in dropshipping, but it can be hard to get started without any money to invest. That's why I wanted to see if it was possible to start a dropshipping business from scratch, using only TikTok as a marketing platform. For those who may not know, dropshipping is a way to sell products online without having to hold any inventory. Essentially, you find a supplier who agrees to ship the products directly to your customers when you make a sale. The idea is that you can start an e-commerce business without having to spend money upfront on inventory. So, I decided to challenge myself to start a dropshipping business on TikTok with $0. No money for advertising, no money for inventory, just me and my TikTok account. I figured that if I could make it work, it would be a great way for anyone to get started with dropshipping, even if they don't have any money to invest. So, how did it go? Well, I'm happy to say that I was able to make some sales and turn a profit within the 30 days. It wasn't easy, and there were definitely some challenges along the way, but I was able to overcome them and make it work. In the end, I learned that it is possible to start a dropshipping business on TikTok with $0. It takes a lot of hard work and persistence, but if you're willing to put in the effort, it can be done. Thanks for watching my video about my experience with dropshipping on TikTok. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.